What's up, Wichita? Thanks for tuning in. Welcome to another drive-through edition of Live Local. Today we went to Dempsey's Burger Pub. Ready, go. Welcome back to another edition of Live Local, drive-through edition. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today we went to Dempsey's Burger Pub thanks to a comment on Facebook. We asked, hey, you like burgers? Where do we go get a burger? And you responded. Dempsey's was one on the list. The actual burger that you said go check out was the egg burger. So we're gonna get into it. All right, so we're looking at a protein-packed burger here. We got egg, bacon, Swiss cheese, meat patty. What else we got under here? I mean, this has got to be a quarter-pound meat patty. I don't know. It's pretty thick. So we got just burger, patty, bacon, Swiss cheese, egg, still runny. There it goes. All right. Look at that right there. All right, let's check out this first bite. That's a good burger. Man, this burger is nothing but protein. Got eggs, bacon, and meat patty. There's cheese on it, but there's no sauce, no nothing. Just straight up egg, bacon, burger. So we did it drive-through style. I guess if you eat this in the restaurant, you could probably add some condiments to it or anything like that. But it's just the egg yolk adds, kind of a condiment flavor to it. But this is just a really good burger. Nice tasty bun. Packs a protein punch right here. Check it out. Got that egg running down in there. It's a really tasty burger. I got the meat cooked medium because I don't really like my cows mooing at me. But this is a really good burger. I think if I was in the restaurant, I might add some hot sauce or some ketchup maybe on it. The only thing that I would say that's not great about the burger is it was $11 and I didn't get fries or anything with that. But that's all right. It's still a great burger, and I would definitely recommend this burger. I'm gonna give you one more look inside. Check that out. All right, so that about wraps it up. Thanks for tuning in to another drive-through edition of Live Local. Burger edition. Go check out Dempsey's. They are serving inside or outside on the patio. You can also carry out. You do have to wear a mask upon entering, but don't let that deter you. This is a great burger. They also have a whole host of other burgers on their menu. You need to go check it out. Dempsey's Burger Pub. As always, I'm Troy, and I'm here reminding you to live local. We'll see you next time. That's a good boat. Woo!